In the world of investing, there are companies that focus on trading, companies that focus on banking, and then there are companies built around one thing: investment management and research. One name that has built a strong reputation around this philosophy is Parag Parikh Financial Advisory Services Limited, popularly known as PPFAS. From starting as a financial advisory firm to becoming the sponsor of PPFAS Mutual Fund, the company has built an interesting journey over more than 3 decades. So, what exactly does PPFAS do, and what makes its business model different? Let's find out. Parag Parikh Financial Advisory Services Limited was established in 1992 with the objective of providing advisory and transaction services in the Indian equity markets. In 1996, PPFAS became one of the early firms to receive a license for Portfolio Management Services, or PMS. Over the years, the company developed its investment research capabilities and built a philosophy centered around long-term investing and behavioral finance. Today, PPFAS is also the sponsor of PPFAS Mutual Fund, which launched its first scheme in 2013. So, how does PPFAS generate revenue? The PPFAS group operates across investment management related activities, including portfolio management services and mutual fund management. At the advisory level, the company focuses on investment research and portfolio management. Its philosophy places significant importance on understanding businesses, risk management, and investor behavior rather than simply following short-term market movements. PPFAS is also the sponsor of PPFAS Mutual Fund, while PPFAS Asset Management Private Limited acts as the investment manager of the mutual fund. One of PPFAS's most distinctive features is its investment philosophy. The company places emphasis on value investing, long-term thinking, business quality, and behavioral finance. Instead of focusing purely on short-term price movements, the investment approach looks at the underlying business and its long-term potential. This philosophy is also reflected in PPFAS Mutual Fund, whose investment approach emphasizes value investing and relatively long holding periods. The idea is simple: good investing often requires patience, discipline, and the ability to ignore short-term market noise. One of PPFAS's major strengths is the combination of investment research, portfolio management, and asset management capabilities within its broader group. India's mutual fund and wealth management industry has grown significantly as more households participate in financial markets. This creates opportunities for companies with established investment processes and strong investor trust. PPFAS has also continued expanding its offerings. Its current ecosystem includes multiple mutual fund categories such as equity, hybrid, liquid, arbitrage, and other strategies. The group has also expanded its presence through PPFAS Gift, covering inbound and outbound funds and portfolio management services. PPFAS attracts attention because it operates in India's growing investment management ecosystem and has built a recognizable investment philosophy over the years. Market participants generally look at factors such as growth in the business, profitability, assets managed by the group, mutual fund growth, PMS operations, investment performance, future expansion. However, financial services businesses are subject to market cycles, regulatory changes, competition, and changes in investor behavior. Overall, Parag Parikh Financial Advisory Services Limited has built its identity around investment research, long-term thinking, portfolio management, and asset management. From its beginnings in 1992 to its role today as the sponsor of PPFAS Mutual Fund, the company's journey reflects the evolution of India's investment management industry.
If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mira Associates for more educational content on unlisted companies and the unlisted share market.
Mira Associates provides assistance for unlisted share transactions only. We do not provide investment advice or recommendations. Investments in securities are subject to market risks. Please conduct your own research before making investment decisions.